SHRI AKAL, welcome. Today we are going to see questions from body fluids and circulation. So let's get started. Adult human RBCs are enucleated. Which of the following statement is more appropriate explanation for this feature? They are somatic cells. They do not need to reproduce. All their internal space is available to transport oxygen. They do not metabolize. So the correct option is C because only 3 is correct. Name the blood cells whose reduction in number cause clotting disorder, leading to excessive loss of blood from the body. Okay, the correct option is A, thrombocytes. It's also called as platelets. Yes. Yes. Serum differs from I'm sorry guys. Serum differs from blood in lacking clotting factors. It's a very simple and easy question. Blood pressure in the pulmonary artery is more than that in the pulmonary vein. So I just want you to look at this slide because you will be clear while answering those type of questions, So the blood pressure in the arteries is greater than that in the veins. So this is the order, and the pulmonary artery is a short and stout structure or wide structure which branches into two parts. On the other hand, the pulmonary veins are large blood vessels. Hence, the pressure of blood is greater in the pulmonary artery as compared to that in the pulmonary vein. Okay, fine. Fifth question is, this blood vessel in mammals would typically carry the largest amount of urea. It is hepatic vein. So what is the difference between hepatic portal vein and hepatic vein? I'll explain it to you very clearly. Sorry guys. Yes, the hepatic portal vein leads from the small intestine to the liver. The hepatic vein carries blood away from the liver to the vena cava, which transport it back to the heart. The urea is a byproduct of amino acid catabolism that occurs in the liver. Hence, liver is the primary site for urea production. So the correct answer is hepatic vein. Here you have to understand the difference between hepatic portal vein and hepatic vein. Okay, just pause the video and read the sentence again. You will be understanding it very clearly. So question number 6. Doctors use stethoscope to hear the sounds produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when semilunar valves are closed down after the blood flows into vessels from ventricles. So it's option A. Fine. Person with blood group AB is considered a universal recipient because he has both A and B antigens on RBC but no antibodies in the plasma. So it's option D. How do parasympathetic neural signals affect the working of the heart? It reduces the heartbeat or the heart rate and cardiac output. So it's option B. A certain road accident patient with an unknown blood group needs immediate blood transfusion. His one doctor friend at once offers his blood. What was the blood group of the donor? It must be O. So blood group O. Okay, it's blood group O. I'm extremely sorry, guys. Which one of the following plasma proteins is involved in the coagulation of blood? Fibrinogen. It's a very simple and easy question. The hepatic portal vein drains blood to liver from intestine. Okay, match the items. Tricuspid between the left atrium and left ventricle. Bicuspid between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Semilunar between right atrium and right ventricle. So which is the correct match? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's option 3. Yes. So this is also match. Fibrinogen, osmotic balance, globulin, blood clotting, albumin, defense mechanism. So the correct option is 4. Option 4. Which of the following gastric cells indirectly help in erythropoiesis? Okay. The correct answer is parietal cells. Okay, cells found in the gastric glands includes, okay. So I need you to look at this slide. Okay, so the cells in the gastric glands are foveolar cells, chief cells, parietal cells, G cells, gastric, D cells, somatostatin, and enterochromaffin cells like ECL. I mean enterochromaffin like cells, which is called ECL. So I need you to pause the video and read this. See, the first cells of all of the glands are foveolar cells in the neck region, which is also called as mucous neck cells. Obviously, it produces mucus. So there are 3 types of gastric glands, which is pyloric, cardiac, fundus, or oxyntic glands. Okay. So what is this ECL? ECL is heteroendocrine cells or hormone-producing cells that are sprinkled throughout the gut epithelium. Okay. So it responds to the chemical and mechanical stimuli. So these are just extra points. It secretes some important hormones such as GLP-1, GLP-2, PYY, CCK, and serotonin. It is a neuroendocrine cell. So what is a neuroendocrine cell? Neuroendocrine cells are like nerve cells, but they also produce hormones, okay, like endocrine cells. So these are called as neuroendocrine cells. Okay. So question number 15, colostrum. Okay. Colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infants because it contains immunoglobulin A. Factors required for maturation of erythrocytes is vitamin B12. So 17. Which of the following is the largest lymphatic vessels of the human body? Thoracic duct. Okay. So cisterna chyli. So you see, I have given the explanation of what is cisterna chyli here because I don't want you guys to just you have to learn the options. Okay. So I mean, what I mean by learning the option is you have to know what that means at least. Okay, so it will be helpful in the examination. If the question paper is tough, obviously it's going to be easy, but still you're going to become a doctor, so you have to know what it is. The normal pH of the atrial blood is 7.8. If the cardiac supply of vagus nerve is cut, then the rate of heartbeat increases. Okay. So what is vagus nerves? So the vagus nerve carries an extensive range of signals from digestive system and organs to the brain and vice versa. So it sends a message to your body that it's time to relax. Okay. So it obviously, when the vagus nerve is cut, that your heartbeat increases. During high BP or high blood pressure, regulation of heartbeat and circulation is controlled by cardioinhibitory and vasoconstrictor center. So it's option 220. So bundle of Hess is present in. It is present in the. It is a muscle fibers in ventricles. Abnormal increase in count of erythrocyte is. Polycythemia. Okay, so what is leukopenia? Leukopenia is a condition where a person has a reduced number of white blood cells. Others are known. It's a very simple disorders. So pneumonia and anemia. Blood pressure increases and heartbeat decreases due to increase in intracranial pressure. Okay. So with the increase in intracranial pressure, blood flow to cerebral is reduced. This increased pressure also stimulates the vasomotor center and increases systematic blood pressure. Okay. So kidney-shaped nucleus occur in monocyte. Amount of blood received by brain every minute is 750 ml. Okay, mark the correct match. Okay, it's option 2. Okay, why the rest are wrong? Because see, the malleus is a bone in the middle ear, anvil is a block with a hard surface which another object is struck. So leukocyte has no meaning. If it's leukocyte, it's something related to white blood cells. It's leukocyte has no meaning. Hemophilia is an inherited genetic disorder. Okay, person with AB blood group can universally donate, receive universally. So which is correct? Yes, receive universally. Okay. Blood vessel of a diaphragm is called phrenic. Diapedesis is DAS. It is the passage of WBC out of blood capillaries to the site of injury. The thread-like tendons of papillary muscle inserted upon the flaps of tricuspid and bicuspid valves are